Hey guys, what's going on? It's your buddy Slim here. It's been a minute since I've checked in with you guys, but I did want to let you know that Mrs. Trim and I were at the 18 inning game in Seattle, ending in heartbreaking fashion, but we're glad we were there. It was quite an experience, and look forward to you guys coming in and chatting with me about it. We have not opened packs for a good long time. I have over 300 packs, including all 50 of those headliners, an entire battle royale program, and a couple events in here. So we are going to get to the rip. We'll start with these 120 packs. Hey, we got our first one. Purple lights. Is that JT? Nice. And he's supercharged. Hey, I'll the action. Hey, diamond number 2. Purple. Mariners. Did I get my first Julio as a diamond? Come on now. No, we got Andres Munoz. Dude's nasty. Saw him hit 103 on the radar gun last week, 2 weeks ago. All right, 120 of them, and we only got 2 diamonds, but that's all right. On to our ballin' as a habit. What an absolute strikeout on the ball and is a habit. All right. Let's pick out some of these other ones here. Scouting report. Woo! All right. Diamond number 3. Is that Austin Riley? There we go. All right, let's knock out these headliners now. All right. Devi? Is he even a diamond? Chris Sale. Oh, another diamond back to back. Jose Altuve. Oh. Bregman. No, Tucker. Oh, excuse me. Ooh, we got a diamond. Julio Urias. Oh, and we got Jim Rice, and I somehow auto flipped it. Ha! Let's go. Kind of sucks we blew our gold lights, though. Hopefully we'll see him again. Good thoughts, good thoughts. Hey, there we go. Hey, this looks promising. Larry, my boy. Our first headliner for the proper pack. Jim Rice came in a way early pack. We got another good one. Vida Brujan. Nice. Another purple live series. Carlos Rodon. There we go. Blue lights. Astros. Verlander. The 91. Not in the playoffs. There we go. Gold. Let's go. Willie Stargell? No, Jason Kendall. All right. Saw some gold lights. Back-to-back gold lights. Let's go. Wayno. Score. We have back-to-back-to-back gold lights. Back-to-back Waynos. Let's go. That's awesome. There we go. Show me gold. Dang it. Corbin? No, no, it's Hunter Renfroe. How about that? 2 more headliners to go. There we go. There we got some gold lights hitting the headliner again. Is that Trevor Hoffman? Let's go, buddy. Get that circle change in here. Back-to-back diamonds. Another Andres Munoz. Last headliner. All right, we got some choice packs here. Like Mickey. Take 2 Griffies. Big dog. Base round. Jack Leiter. 2 big dog set 2s. Hey, we got the rare round. Take Dunn. He's worth the most. Base round. Big dog set 3. Alright, always intense. I think our Juan Pierre. Hey, there's the rare round again. What's up, Ryan Wilson? Takashi. Base round. Gagne. Gagne again. Toolbox. Hey, we got the rare round. 16. Take the old Mariner uniform. Let's go with a couple All-Star games. Got the mid-round, another Class A. Another Class A. Now we got 4 derbies. Stock up on Aramis Ramirez, Jose Ramirez. All right, one more. Dang it. Headliner choice packs now. All right. There we go. We got him. Gary Sheffield pack. Mike Schmidt headliner choice pack. Take the New Jersey. Wow, 10 Kenleys, huh? There's Jimmy Fox one. More New Jerseys. Ryan Howard. Jeff McNeil. Corbin Carroll. There we go. 17,000, 22,000, 21. We'll go with Matt Carpenter there. Got a couple for Vinny Castillo. Darn it. Do it again. Got him. 20 grand, 17 grand. Jim Rice, we pulled him earlier. Hey, let's go. 20,000, 22,000. Curtis Granderson. Let's go. Killing it, boys. Couple for J.R. Richard. Darn it. Shouldn't be too greedy, huh? Take our Rockies. Well, we got Diamond. Yeah, we'll take Bryce. Score! We got it. Couple Jimmy Edmonds. Hey, I got a new Mariner jersey. And we got the rare round. We're just killing it tonight, boys. All right, finally we've got 4 choice 50 packs. Let's go, Barry Larkin. Jared Weaver here. Nice. Another Carpenter there. All right, one more. Let's go. End it with a bang. All right. What up, Ray? Sean Green. What up, Cy? What up, Ozzy? AJ Burnett. And lastly, Steve Finley. All right. We've got some juicy set ones. Base round. Jason Hayward, what's up, buddy? Same thing. Darn it, 3 base rounds. All right, juicy pack 2. Base round. Go with Ralph Kiner. More Ralph Kiner. More Ralph Kiner. Darn, that's a bummer. Falling out of control. There we go. Good start. Good start. Another JT Real Muto. Back to back. Is that Bryce Terang? Oh, Hunter Renfroe. Again, I can't identify Hunter Renfroe. Another diamond. Ooh. Blue lights. Did we pull Trouty? We go fishing? Mike Trout! Let's go. He's not worth much anymore, but it's still a Mike Trout pull. I think that's our third pull Third or fourth trout pull of the year. We only pulled him 0 times when he was really, really expensive. Nice. Let's go. Is this a double diamond pack? A little Max Fried. Followed by Jose Altuve. Let's go, buddy. Killing with balling out of control. Another diamond. Hunter Renfroe. Did I not screw him up this time? It's Woodruff. Go figure. Oh man, we're hitting the diamonds hard now. Bo. Danny Jansen. Another diamond. Lots of live series diamonds for us. Let's go. Christian Javier. Balling out of controls have been out of control for us for sure. Bryce? Zach Wheeler? Nice. 2 more. Purple lights. Lots of purple lights for us. Woodruff again. Pulling lots of duplicates of guys. Let's go. Last one. Oh, we got teal lights. We pulled Trout or Shohei? Let's go. We pulled Shohei and Mike Trout in like an 11-pack span. Let's go, boys. Oh, it kicks ass. Yard cards. Who knows? Alright, the gold. Alright, now. More net. Oh yeah, Harper. Alright, our last one. Duke Snyder. Alrighty. Hit a rewind pack here. 100. I got them all. Napoli. Guaranteed a guy here. 20. Come on. Two. Or no, let's go. Chase pack. Come on, Nolan Ryan. Cap this night off. Verlander. Well, there's a little value to this guy. Rewind pack here. 187, 137, 135, 144. 328,000. Holy cow. I'm gonna hope is that Chipper? Lord. Nice, man. That's a lot of cash. Finally, do we take Seager, Kluber? We're taking Kluber. We want pitchers. Let's go. That was an awesome pack opening, guys. If you stuck around to the end, I appreciate it. Hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you're new. And come drop into a stream. I will get the streams back going up here pretty quick. And I look forward to hanging out with you. All right, guys.